What's up, guys? Welcome back again into our channel. And have you ever wondered how some hackers, like in movies, control devices? Like they control your laptop, they spy on your camera, or even in your microphone. Have you ever wondered how they did that? And now, in this video, I am going to show you how they do it and how does it work. And I'm gonna introduce you to Xworm. Xworm is a rat generator. Rat means remote access Trojan, and remote access Trojan or rat can do a lot of things, like you can control devices, spy on them, uh, and and steal their passwords and some stuff. Like here, I am going to show you how to use it. Oh, you need to extract all, but I already extracted it here. I am going to show you how does it work. Here you can see, you can monitor on some people, you can run some more virus or malware in their device, you can spy on their webcam, microphone, and even run all recovery passwords, steal all of their saved password. You can even DDoS account, DDoS attack. You know what DDoS means? DDoS is attacking their Wi-Fi, like the server of their Wi-Fi. I think you can do a lot of things, like keylogger. Every time they click, the stroke saves. Now I am going to show you how to do it. Here you need to host a server in playit.gg. You can go on YouTube and search how to set up a server for Xworm. And after you set up a server, you can put it here and the port. And here, you turn all of this on, and now you can build X client. Oh, sorry. Okay. And here, X client 21. Now we wait. Oh, we need to run our server. Sorry guys, I forgot to turn on my Wi-Fi. Now we wait here. Alright, now we wait. See our server and the port. Now we just need to wait. Oh, wait, let me reopen it. I think I set it up wrong, guys. Wait. Yeah, I set it up wrong. But you can search on YouTube on how to set up a server for Xworm. And that's all, guys. Bye. Thank you. And please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so if I have new videos, you can watch it and learn more about hacking and stuff.